Yeah, hi, Martin Baker here, and ready to show you around another one of our 2.9 by 2.5 garden offices here in East London. So we're in a little beautiful area in London, and these new houses have been built without permitted development rights. So they weren't allowed to build this office without planning. That's the same if you've got a flat or a maisonette. So we have had to get planning for this building, but it was no problem. Got it through okay, and has been a great addition to this relatively compact property. Two kids. The gentleman who uses this office most of the time is in the theatre and works actually with America a lot. So he was saying 4 o'clock onwards he's out here using the building all through the night. Soundproof, heat proof. We've actually added climate control into it there, as you can see, so that's got the cooling and the heating, and right next to this beautiful park here in London. It really is a lovely spot to work in and a great addition. Also, with 2 children, they're actually using it as a bit of a bolt hold as well, do some study work and enjoy a little bit of time away from the property. Really nicely done inside. I've got to say, the feeling of calm as you come into this room with the lighting, big desk set up here, are ready to go for when America comes awake at about 4 p.m. So yeah, really nicely done. Got a nice sort of poster of the wall. I just think it all looks lovely. The customer is linked with Wicked, so it's really interesting to see the little touches in there. But with that climate control sitting in the middle, that nice warm lighting just of that lamp. We have got the main light on the ceiling there, but that client prefers to use just the lamp. Just works really nicely. You can see hopefully that you've got the integrated blinds. So you've got blinds in the bottom of the window and the door. We don't do it on the top one normally. We don't recommend it. It just really is a bit too expensive relatively to the gain. So with the unit there, you can shut open and lock them off there, and the same with the door here. And then you've got full privacy as well. So when you're working at night, you have actually got that privacy that you want as well. So that's a really nice option, the integrated blinds. A lot of clients take us up on it. Despite us applying for planning, this building would normally sit within the rules, under 2.5 metres, cement wall to the rear and the wall to the rear and the sides, EPDM rubber roof. It's a really nice long-term building, 50-year life expectancy, 10-year guarantee, UPVC doors and windows. So I hope that's of interest. That's one of our 2.9 by 2.5 garden offices. That's a nice big size actually, lots of room in there. You could do more than one thing in there actually, but the way that's set out is really nice. So I hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.